Beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chemaka Okebo. If you're joining us for the first time, you are very much welcome. So today I will be bringing you makeup. You do not know how to draw your brows, you be a business person, just you need to go for an event, you need to go for a business trip, even to the office, anywhere. This is really beginner friendly, but all you have to do is practice, guys. Let's get into this video. My brows right now. First off, with drawing your brows, you want your brows to be well shaped. Mine, you can still see some hairs here. I need to take all the hairs, so I wouldn't be doing that today. Yeah, you want it to have a defined shape. It makes it easier for it to be drawn. And then next up, you want to brush it. You want to brush it to get the shape so you can see exactly, okay, this is what we're doing today. Your brows are not twin sisters, they might be cousins, they're definitely not friends. Another thing you want when you're drawing your brows is you have to have sharpened pencil. I don't know if you can see that tip very sharp, else you wouldn't get it. So I don't have a mirror here. I'm going to be using this as my mirror. So guys, look at that. First of all, you want to get the shape. You draw the line under to get it. So the thing is, your eyebrow goes this way, and then there is an arc, and then it comes down. So it doesn't go straight and comes down. No, it's a bit slanty, and then it goes up. There's the highest point, which is the arc, and then it comes down. So when you do that for that brow, you leave that and then you move to the next one. Sometimes you can get a feel, but I like to just do it separately. Just bring that down whenever you are highlighting. However, you could also use your Q-tip. This is very important in makeup, especially when you're just learning. Even not just learning. There you go. Gone. And then you go back in still with a sharpened pencil. So that's it. Your eyebrows are not twin sisters, I've said it. Now that you're done, you just quickly feel. So I have hairs, I'm just going to go in light strokes. Although I really do like my brows dark. So that's it for the outline, and then you want to go back and brush. And feel again. So for the front of your brow, you just want light strokes, and then you come here and you do it this way. You brush it in, and to make it look really natural, you brush it out again, brush it in, brush it out. You don't want it to be overly done. Yeah. So this is my brows. So guys, I actually brought out the wrong concealer. So I have warm honey here. I'm supposed to use toffee. Even toffee should be a bit light for me. Toffee would be for my brow bone. But what I'm gonna do is, since I have warm honey here, I'm just gonna mix it with a bit of foundation, which is darker. Yeah. So let's do this. So you don't want to raise your brows when you're trying to define it. Guys, you will just get the wrong shape, because when you raise it, can you see it's different from this? But why I'm raising it up is I'm trying to drag down so that it becomes easier to blend. Yeah? Like add more concealer as it goes, but then bring it down. Yep, we're getting there. So you want to blend. So you want to go in and blend right now. Can you see that? Flawless victory. So avoid sharp lines, like white lines. So the lighter it is, the more your blending game has to be just top notch. So another thing I do is I use my beauty blender again. Here, you would see the difference right now. Can you see the difference? I'm sorry about I don't know, my focus has refused to lock in. So we're just gonna go this side and do it. Another problem a lot of people have is on your brush you do not have concealer. What you have is something that is dried. Like the concealer is dried. When your concealer is dried, definitely you won't get this result. Same with your foundation, it shouldn't go dry. And depending on the concealer you're using, some of them dry faster than some. So you want to blend real quick. Work in batches and blend real quick. Now as you can see, this is harsh. I'm just going to, like I said, keep in mind it's all blend, blend, blend. Then still come in with this. So for the upper part of your brow, you want to use the same color, like exactly your skin tone, to do it so that it blends into your skin seamlessly. For your brow bone, a lighter color because it pops, yeah? But for the upper part, it just has to blend in. You don't want to see white and then brown. No, 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 no. Another thing you want to do when you're picking this, guys, the tip of the brush is majorly what you want to pick. Used to pick majorly, yeah. Do not drag everything. Just so we're gonna be doing the top of our brows now. If you feel like the front of your brows are just too light, you just add more. So guys, can you see? For some other person, you could decide to add more color here because it looks a bit faded, but for me, I feel like that is just perfect, at least for today. So well guys, welcome to the end of your flawless eyebrow routine. This is really beginner friendly. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and practice is very important. Okay, I'll see you in my next video. My name is Chiamaka. Have a lovely day.